Your on-screen guide is getting a new HD design that seamlessly enhances your favorite features on the set-top box you already have. The new iGuide HD offers the intuitive functionality you love, plus a sleek HD design that improves the discovery experience, simplifies navigation, and automatically tunes to your show's highest resolution. View the expanded listings grid to easily find what's on now and what's coming next. Or use the mini guide to browse while watching TV. Search for programs by title, keywords, actors, or directors to quickly find shows to watch or record. And iGuide HD gives you essential program info, including ratings and in-depth descriptions. The HD design also makes it easier to record shows and manage your DVR, adjust settings, and quickly free space by deleting multiple shows at once. And with Quick Menu's new design, a push of the button gives you instant access to the most popular features of the guide. Parental controls is as easy as always. Just enter your PIN to lock or unlock shows by rating, content rating, or channel. And on-demand looks better than ever with crisp, clean, and easier-to-read menus. iGuide HD. Familiar functionality with a brand new look. Building a foundation for the future on the infrastructure of today.